Hello everyone, it's your boy Tech Hack. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you the best WordPress plugin for SEO. Now I'm very sure you're familiar with SEO. SEO simply means search engine optimization. Now, if you're a business owner and you're looking for a plugin to use to be able to rank your website to get to the front page of Google or whatever search engine, which definitely is Google, then you're on the right place. Now, if you're not, if you're literally not looking for the SEO plugin to use, then you're not in the right place. But anyways, please stay tuned, and I hope you like this video. As you can see on my screen, we have Rank Math SEO and Rank Math SEO Pro. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can install Rank Math SEO and Rank Math SEO Pro plugin. Now, in my next video, which is going to be a very long one, I'm going to show you how you can create, how you can work on your search engine optimization of your website. So I'm going to do a full tutorial video covering that, and I hope you like the video, and also you can drop in the comment section what website you want me to create, and also the SEO approach I'm able to use to get free traffic from Google. I'm going to, if you look in the description below, I'm going to drop in a link to where you can download Rank Math SEO plugin for free. And also, I'm going to be dropping up, that is the card section. You can also watch the free video on how you can drive traffic to your website for free using Google. It's very, very simple, very free traffic method for you to be able to rank. So this video right now is going to cover how you can get Rank Math SEO plugin for free. So the first thing I need to do, or first need to do, is you need to have a domain and hosting. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm making use of TasteWP. TasteWP is a WordPress. Well, just like you can see over here, get a taste of WordPress. So I've done a video of this, how to get a free domain and hosting using TasteWP. Apparently, I discovered they have a pro version right now. Pro version is actually very nice. You can see over here, $2.98 per month, which is actually very cheap. And I've been using these guys for a long period of time, and I really vouch for them. And also, if you don't want to use TasteWP, then you can use cheapdesigndomain.com. I'm going to drop a link in the description below. Get your free domain, get your cheap domain name and hosting, and let's get started. So now the first thing you need to do is just come over to TasteWP. You're going to see set it up for me. Now once you click on this, it's going to create your website for you for free. So just give it some time, and voila, you should get your website just like this. We need to take, I didn't pause this video, like as you see here, very, very fast. So what you just need to do is click access it now. So now once you click access it now, I'm just going to run through the whole procedure on how to go about it. Now it's going to be very short. This is going to be a very short video because I'm not going in depth into it. I'm just showing you how you can install the Pro plugin. Now, what we just have to do is click this. Now you can see over here, like I said, Go Pro. That's Go Premium. Now just click got it. You don't need that. Now the difference between the free version and the Pro version is you have 1 hour duration over here. You have 1 hour duration over here. So, pardon me, you have 2 days duration, 2 days duration for the free version. So, meaning this website is going to be gone in 2 days. So, that's after 2 days, pardon me. So, now the next thing I always do, if you want to create a website, please make sure you remove this. Well, I just don't like this seeing this. Then these are just the default stuff. So just delete this also. So you move to trash and click apply. Then you come over to your plugin section. Now, these plugins are like part of the TasteWP. Now, if you're using a fresh hosting, you'll get the fresh hosting from gymdesigndomain.com. Then you don't need, you won't see all these things once you get your cPanel live and ready. I'm going to show you how you can do that in like my upcoming video. So now The next thing to do, just click add new over here and click on upload plugin. So now I'm going to import the plugin. Yeah, so as you can see over here, so this is the free plugin Rank Math SEO. This is one of the best plugin you need right now. Very, 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 very good plugin. I've used it for my clients, and you also can use it for your clients. So you can see here, Rank Math is the latest version. So once you activate it, the next thing you need to do is you need to add the pro version. So this is going to be available in the description below, so you don't have to worry about it. Just follow the procedure. I discovered that a lot of people had issue in the first video which I did about Astra, how to get Astra Astra Pro. So you can see over here my screen, activate plugin. Now you can see that the rank math is activated. So that is how to go about that. As you can see, we have Rank Math SEO, Rank Math SEO Pro. So now, once you click on Rank Math SEO, not allowed to. Okay, so this is an error. All right. So just click on this. So you need to create a free account, or you can just skip now. And now you can just walk you through how to go about this start. So you can set it to easy, advanced. So you just say what you want to do, personal blog, small website. So just say other personal websites, upload your logo and the rest. Now this process, I just walk you through. Let me just walk you through, save and continue. You can skip this step. Now you also need to connect your Google service. This just can skip this step also. Now, this will help you to get results. Now, sitemap is very important. I'm going to show you how to get sitemap in my next video. Like very soon, I'm going to show you how to do that. So this, you can just follow video sitemap. That is, you generally only need a video sitemap when your website has video content. Now, with rank math, you can be able to add video sitemap. This helps to increase your visibility on Google. So now you're going to skip step if you want to, but literally just save and continue. Follow the process. Now make sure you read the process. So just save and continue, or you can skip step. So now the next thing you're going to say is the site is ready. Now enable to update the plugin. So just go to set up advanced options. If you want to, or just return to dashboard. So now you can see here, just save and continue to show you how to go about all this. Now for monitor redirection, set up temporary. You make sure you read through, and see which one you want. Now, if you're familiar with SEO, you'll be able to understand um, how this works. Now, I'm not trying to cover all this. I'm just showing you what to do once you install and activate the plugin. Once you install and activate the plugin, so just click save and continue. So you can see here, Rank Math SEO Pro is live. You can see here, Rank Math SEO Pro is live. So you can see that your your um, your search engine optimization plugin is live. You understand? So that's just it. Just refresh this. Yeah. So you're good to go. You're good to go. And if you have any question, please don't forget to drop in the comment section. And also let me know the type of videos you want me to create apart from the ones I have in mind already, because I'm going to be dropping, as usual, back-to-back content for you. And I hope you like this video, and also subscribe. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's going to help bring out visibility and also help users who need this particular video.